Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this glazed donut glossy look. I literally look like I was dunked in oil and I love it, you know? It's really easy to achieve and yeah, I think it's really pretty for the summer especially. I just want to tell you guys, I'm not a makeup artist. I don't do makeup. I'm not very good at it either. I'm just doing this for fun and I just want to show you guys how to achieve this glowy look. Be sure to keep watching if interested. So I just moisturized and put some eye cream on and I'm going to start with the glowy makeup tutorial. I'm going to use this Fluid Sheer Giorgio Armani product, which makes your skin so glowy at first. It's like a really nice glowy base. So I'm going to put around this much. Once that's in, I'm going to take my concealer. It's the Superstay Better Skin Concealer by Maybelline. Kind of highlight my skin so I can achieve that glowy look. I'm going to take this and just blend it in. And then I'm going to take my Marc bronzer in the shade Tantric, and I'm going to kind of contour my face a little bit. Then I'm going to take my concealer again and highlight, kind of like make a little line here on my nose, on my forehead, maybe put a little more under my eyes. Okay, so when that's all blended in, I'm gonna go do my eyebrows. For this look, I'm not gonna do like a dramatic brow. I never do anyway, so I'm just gonna take this Glossier eyebrow thing and I'm gonna put it on my eyebrows to make it like a little bushy look. As you can see, that looks pretty bushy. So now is pretty much the most important part of this tutorial. We gotta make our skin look really glowy and glossy, and I'm gonna do a glossy eyelid too. Start with my Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then on the tip of my nose. And then I'm going to take it again and I'm going to put some on my eyelid. Just move the camera a bit because that lighting wasn't really showing the highlight. Next, I'm going to take my Milk face gloss. This stuff is really, really important if you want to get like a really glossy look to your face. I'm going to put this stuff right on my eyelid with my fingers. And then I'm gonna put some on my cheek, on top of the highlighter I already put. I'm gonna take my Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna put some mascara on my lids so they look more poppy. I'm going to take some of the Milk face gloss and put some on top of my nose. I'm going for a really oily look here, you know what I mean? Next, I'm going to take my lip liner in the color Rose. It's by Estee Lauder. I'm just going to lightly line my lips, just lightly. I don't want it to be anything crazy. And I'm going to like blend it in a little bit. And then I'm going to take my Juicy lip gloss that has sparkles in it. I don't know the exact name because it wore off. but I'm just gonna apply it to my lips.